Ooh, a 5.0, baby. Let's get this awesome POV, boys. I know you guys wanted another one, but here we are. It's freaking cold. It's like 30 degrees right now. Man, I'm driving with one hand. By the way, I am recording with my iPhone. Sorry if the quality is not 4K. I totally forgot to put it in 4K today. Man, I'm gonna give you guys a full video, you know, of these pops. Rest in peace my gas mileage, though. Man, I'm getting a little cold. Let me put the window up a little bit. Just a little bit, man. Sheesh, just like 30 degrees, man. Let's check my fuel economy. John's probably terrible. No cap. This is kind of hard though, filming with one hand, I will say. But I didn't want to use my GoPro. I don't think it captures the sound really well. So that's why I'm using my iPhone actually. Damn, it's cold. Damn, them Johns jiggling. Pause. And I know you guys were commenting, why are you gripping your steering wheel so weird? Oh! Getting a lot of more burbles. Let's see the pops in fourth gear. Gotta be careful over here, man. There's usually cops. Hopefully I don't get pulled over. And there is a cop over there, boys. I'm gonna keep my phone low, alright? Sorry about the angle, but as you can see, I'm not trying to get pulled over. Because I would be the one to get pulled over. And I'm actually gonna take off the pop map. Or should I risk it for the biscuit, boys? We're risking it for the biscuit, boys. If I get pulled over, I say it's for a video, huh? Yeah? Uh-oh. We risked it for the biscuit, boys. Now we're going through a little tunnel I always love going through. Damn! As you can see, we're getting 11 miles per gallon. Okay, this is gonna be a tricky turn, man. Oh, those are terrible shifts. My bad, boys. Sheesh. Take a left here, and then we're on our way home, boys. Here you go. Oh, she booking it. Man, sorry about the lighting. Definitely doesn't have auto adjust like a regular camera would. boys, to piss white people off. But they seem to not care. Man, I definitely wasted a quarter tank already. Oh boy. Alright, now this turn I'm about to make is a risk it for the biscuit. Yee. Oh no, it's not. Thought it was cool, I think. But I will slow down though when pedestrians are walking. Not trying to... I almost stalled as I was driving and I accidentally put, but I think we're about to be done this video, boys. Sheesh. All right, boys. I think that was definitely enough poppies for the day. I'm not trying to get pulled over, have the cops calling me again. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, boys. Join the family. We're on the road to 300 subscribers, or should I say road to 1,000? I don't know. Am I the best G content when it comes to the poppies? I don't know. I don't know, guys, but let me comment your Instagram down below, boys. We're gonna be rating my subscribers' builds in my next video. That would be pretty cool. I know I'm not too crazy, but I think it'll be fun to look at you guys' builds and stuff. So make sure you guys comment below your Instagram. I also leave an email down below as well where you can email the pictures, or you can DM me. Actually, yeah, you guys just DM me on the gram. But yeah, that'll be a nice little fun video. Let me give my test pipes a break. That was like 12 minutes of straight gas in it in second and third gear basically. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate the support. I really love you guys. Let's build it from here. Remember, grind till you shine, boys. Oh! I didn't stop it. Peace out, boys.